Reprin is a manufacturer of modern acoustic enclosures, designed with the aim of effectively reducing noise generated by industrial equipment and technical installations. Today's modern investments require not only efficient technological solutions but also appropriate acoustic comfort. That's why Reprin enclosures are designed to effectively limit sound emission while maintaining full functionality of the equipment and adequate system ventilation. The company's solutions are used, among others, with refrigeration units, HVAC installations, industrial equipment, energy systems, and wherever noise reduction is necessary in the workspace or the investment's surroundings. The enclosures are made from high-quality materials, resistant to weather conditions and intensive use. Carefully selected structural solutions and soundproofing materials significantly improve the comfort of using the space around technical equipment. Effective noise reduction today is not only about work and usage comfort but also meeting increasingly higher requirements for acoustic environment protection. We invite investors, contractors, and companies seeking effective and durable solutions in noise reduction and technical enclosures to collaborate with us.